Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the loan repayment calculator on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Home Loan Calculators, which is the fifth option. Tap on Repayments Calculator, see how much your monthly repayments could be. Tap on the or type in the estimated property price, then your deposit, the loan term, and the interest rate. Set the repayment type, and here you can find the monthly price. You can also check out how much you could borrow by tapping on this button. Then you will be directed to this domain.com website where you can check out this information as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.